We're starting to see how the coronavirus is going to impact our state's government. The Board of Public Works is now being tasked with hundreds of millions of dollars in cuts trying to balance Maryland's budget. WMAR 2 News' Abby Isaacs explains what cuts were passed out today.
This unprecedented global pandemic has caused catastrophic damage to the American economy.
Governor Larry Hogan says it's the worst economic collapse since the Great Depression.
Not taking action is simply not one of our options.
He says while Maryland is better off than the majority of other states, the Board of Public Works has tough decisions to make to balance the fiscal year 2021 budget, which starts today.
I'll second the motion. The vote carries 2-0.
Today, the board adopted the first round of cuts put forth by the Department of Budget and Management. Among the biggest reductions, funding to higher education institutions, leveling community college funding to the fiscal year 2020 level, and altering program delivery for youth.
Juvenile Services recognized in the last fiscal year the decrease in populations. They went through a shutdown of 2 facilities, and we are now able to harvest and recognize some of those savings moving forward.
People may have to postpone or forego a raise. Worthwhile programs will not be able to be funded or will get trimmed. Departments won't see increases, but funding everything and cutting nothing is not an option.
It also includes reducing operating costs and positions in state offices. Hogan says the alternative to these cuts would be laying off 6,000 state employees, and that's the last thing he wants to do.
Do we cut spending or do we cut people? And I am going to fight to keep people in their jobs.
It was a grand total of $395 million in reductions, and they still have more to make. Next month, they'll consider $200 million more, which includes employee-related cuts deferred from today's vote. For WMAR 2 News, I'm Abby Isaacs.